Go to your media page, left click media, go to media storage, left click, right click, add into media pool, and your background video as well. Left click, right click, add into media pool. Now go to edit page, left click edit, left click, right click, create new timeline, create. Okay, so place your background video onto the timeline first, and then grab your video, left click it, hold your left button down and drag it onto the timeline like that. Let's just mute those tracks. Just reduce the volume of that one. Now, left click Inspector. We will delete this background, this green door behind my body. Left click Effects. Resolve Effects. Left click Filters. Scroll down until you find 3D Keyer. There it is. Double click 3D Keyer. It appears in your inspector panel. Now go down here beneath your preview screen, left click that down arrow, and on the drop down menu select Open Effects Overlay. Left click. Now move your mouse pointer to your background and left click and hold the left button of your mouse down and scribble away within the background boundary and get as much of that as dark as possible. And that indicates that it's becoming a transparency. That part of it is transparent, the black part. So I'm just going to get underneath my earlobes. Let's increase the size of that to 50. Get underneath my earlobes there, because I can still see green patches. Oh, that's better. And you can see the background removed there, occupied by the doorway. Now go to the Fusion page, left click Fusion, make some space, make sure you can see the top of your image and around it. Now click on the Polygon tool, left click Polygon, left click Invert to get rid of that checkerboard, and simply draw a few straight lines to cover that area. And we see the background removed. I'll just adjust it. Okay, let's go to the edit page, and you see the entire background is now removed on that side. Let's replace that background with something else. Okay, I'll select that and delete. So there's the background gone. It's a narrow video, so I'll just expand it in the like this.